Your joints deserve love and care to keep you moving smoothly through life. Today, we have 10 quick tips for lasting joint health. Your joints are like sponges. They need water to stay cushioned and smooth. Start your day with a tall glass of water and keep sipping all day. Sitting stiffens your joints. Set a timer and take a 1-minute walk every hour to keep them moving and pain-free. Foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds help reduce joint inflammation. Fuel your body with anti-inflammatory fats. Grab a lacrosse ball and roll the bottoms of your feet. It's like a mini joint tune-up that improves balance and mobility. Move your joints through a full range of motion slowly and with control. This keeps them healthy, stable, and strong. Your body recovers at night. A 2-minute stretch before bed helps reduce stiffness in the morning and improves sleep too. Gentle rebounding activates your lymphatic system and keeps your joints moving with zero impact. Just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Going up and down stairs builds strength in your knees and hips. It's great for longevity. Just keep it pain-free. Wearing the same shoes every day stresses your joints. Rotate pairs to improve joint mechanics and alignment. Your joints were made to move. Even just 5 minutes of stretching or walking makes a difference. Give your joints the support they need with these simple, everyday actions. Your future self will thank you.